now that we're at the actual installation part, right? This is what we are doing all of this for, to get these lights on and mounted. We want to be sure to take our time and figure out which way we want them mounted. We want it something like this. Something like that, because these are spots, and these are floods. So do we want something like that, or do we want something like that? But I think I liked it the other way around, with that there and these across that. So that's the way we want it. So let's get our brackets out. I think I could put lights up like that. I don't think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to keep them down a bit lower like this. And now let's measure from end to end. I'm going to measure starting right here where it gets flat. It looks like we're at 35 and a half. Just so we can keep that in our heads. So 35 and a half. Let's make a center mark, 17 and a quarter. All right, so that is our center mark. Then we have 6 lights. 2 of them are going to go over here, and the other 4 in this area. So if we take the outside of this, put it on that line, we are 5.5 inches over. I think that's got it. So let's mark the center here. All of our marks should be in about the same spot, as long as we measured it correctly. Inch and a quarter, 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 quarter. So now we get to start drilling. So these are all M8 bolts, and I'll be using the M8 rivet sets that we've seen already for the other things we've installed. Those require a 7/16 drill bit. This is a very big drill bit. So in addition to doing our pilot hole, we'll be doing an intermediary bit as well. So now we're moving on and finally running our wires up our windshield to get to our roof rack. I've drilled a small hole right here in our tray, and I'm going to show you all how to get this split loom onto these wires. It does take quite a bit of patience. There are tools you can buy for this, but I've just been using my hands. Get your thumbs in between the wires like this. Use your bottom thumb to open it up, and your top thumb to press the wire in, just a little bit at a time. Some patience and your thumbs, you can get the work done. So now I've got these zip tie mounts. I've got about 10 of them, and I'm going to anchor that loom down before I finish looming it up there on the bottom so I can get the correct amount of width.